What's up guys? Welcome to our new vlog. Sensei Bong here. So ngayong ay mag-i-edit tayo ng ating banner sa YouTube at saka ng icon using this Canva. Canva.com. Punta tayo, login, and then after that, pag nag-login kayo, first home, ito yung makikita nyo. So meron mga recommended designs na mga ginawa nyo previously, mga shared with you, brand, create a theme, all your folders, trash, templates. Meron sa under templates, meron social media, pwede kayong gumawa sa Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel art. So ito yung main na goal na gagawin natin ngayon. Pwede rin kayong gumawa ng personal invitation, business, marketing, education, and trending. So this Canva.com is this Canva website is very helpful kung hindi kayo marunong mag-design or hindi nyo alam kung ano yung ilalagay nyo sa mga invitation or card or resume, postcard na pwede nyo gawin. And look at that. Actually, you can also make your own t-shirt design with this Canva website. So most of the mga shirts na nakikita ko ngayon sa mga millennials is dito nila kinukuha yung mga design. Like all of this design pwede nyong i-print sa inyong t-shirt as long as Canva user kayo at saka meron siyang license na tinatawag. So we're not gonna focus on that. So we're gonna focus on a YouTube channel art like this thing. So in YouTube channel art templates, yan yung makikita niya dito, like this one. Ito yung YouTube channel art na makikita ninyo. Dito sa art templates, marami kayong makikitang different designs. Kung gamer, traveler kayo, or makeup, music, or chef, or you're into cooking. And take note guys, meron siyang free at saka meron siyang paid. So when it comes to paid, meron kayong babayaran kapag ginamit nyo to, itong template na to, Chef's Isabel's Eats. So like for example, let's go there and then dito nyo siya i-download. Pag dinownload nyo to, meron siyang $1.39 Canadian. So but meron naman sila mga free na pwede nyo magamit. So it doesn't really matter kung ano yung gusto nyo. Like for music, it's for free. That's very good. For free. For gaming, if you're on gaming, there's a paid version for that. Meron mga skincare. So there's a lots of templates guys na pwede nyo pagpilian dito. Hindi lang iisa, hindi limited yung templates na pwede nyo i-avail. Most of them are for free. Yeah, marami siyang for free guys, so not bad. Okay, so first, after going to a YouTube channel art templates, you can create a blank YouTube channel art. When it comes to blank talaga siya. And then after that, like for example, gusto mo maging isang model o kaya maging isang influencer, that's the term. Kung gusto mo maging influencer, like for example, your name is Stephanie, your last name is Crew. So pwede mo siyang i-type dyan. It's drag and drop lang guys, napaka easy. So you can change this, like for example like for example, kung gusto mong palitan to, gagawin mo siya ng influencer of the year 2020 or 2021. And then after that, it's only click and type and drag guys. So if you want, you can change this one, you can delete that, and then pwede ka mag-add ng mga photos like here. So pwede ka lang pumili ng mga photos dito na pwede mong ilagay. Like for example, this one. Ito yung gusto mong ilagay, but hindi siya bagay sa ating design, diba? So medyo dark yung mood nito. So gahanap ka rin na medyo dark na mood. Or if you want, pwede ka mag-uploads kung meron kang photos na gusto mong iligay. Pwede ka rin mag-upload dyan. And then after that, kung gusto mong lagyan ng mga elements, like for example, gusto mong maglagay ng mga simple drawn objects lang or mga hand-drawn animals, depende guys sa gusto nyo. Okay, like for example, we're gonna add this one. Select it. But it's premium guys. Kailangan nyo mag-subscribe. Ito free. So pwede kayo mag-add dito, something like that kung gusto nyo. Okay, so dyan yung text. Kung gusto nyo naman lagyan ng mga different kind of text now showing, like for example, it's all drag and drop lang guys. Tingnan mo yan, how easy is that. Okay, there. Okay, and then kung gusto nyo rin ng lagyan ng music, you can put the music there also, but pag sa ano naman, hindi nyo naman kinakailangan yun unless na iba yung gusto nyo gawin. Sa banner, hindi na kailangan yun. Meron siya mga videos there na available, 29 seconds, 11 seconds. Okay, in the background, kung gusto nyo palitan yung background, let's see. Can we try this one? Okay, so there's the background now. Iba na yung background nya. But mas gusto ko yung black, yung dark. How about this one? Parang okay, and then we'll delete that. Let's go sa photos, and then let's try this one. Ganyan lang siya ka-easy guys. And this one, pwede natin siyang i-bring to front kasi yung name, and then let's change the color. Punta tayo dito. Okay, and then click mo yan. So since na white siya, gawin natin black yung font, and then there it goes. Stefan Crew influencer, gawin natin siyang gold, and then after that, ayan yung mga pwede mong i-edit guys kung gusto nyo. But yung ating photo is all about party, so it's just an example guys na pwede nyong gawin. And then what else? So yeah, pwede po kayo mag-change ng text or font. Like some of them are free and some others needs your subscription. Like the monotone is for free for sure. And then pag mag-download kayo is just click the download here, and then I suggest the PNG guys, so mas maganda yung quality ng image. Or JPEG, okay rin naman yung JPEG pag mga thumbnails or mga icons lang yung gagawin nyo. Okay, pero pag banner or art ng YouTube, so kasi 2560 by 1440 pixels siya, so kinakailangan nyo. But this image, itong background nya is meron siyang $1.39, so hindi natin siya pwedeng, I mean, kung gusto nyo, meron rin mga paid version din naman like for this example. So as you can see, nawala na yung paid natin, so pwede na siyang i-download. So just click download, and you can see the downloading yan, and then just save lang kung saan na folder nyo siya gustong i-save. Okay, and then it's already download. Okay, so that's for the YouTube art guys na pwede nyong gawin. Okay, and then for pricing, meron siyang free. Let's see for free. Free siya, 0 Canadian dollars, 250 free templates, 100 plus designs, type social media posts, presentations, letters, and more. Hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. Invite members to your team, collaborate and comment in real time. At saka meron siyang cloud storage na 5GB. That's for free, guys. Everything you need to start designing. And then meron siyang Pro. That's 155 and 88 cents Canadian. Pwede nyo siyang i-try for free. Everything is free. Has plus, create one brand kit and upload your own fonts and logos. Meron ding enterprise, 40 per month per person. Single sign. Okay. Can I use Canva Pro as an individual? Sabi dyan. So let's go on frequently asked questions. Can I use Canva Pro as an individual? Definitely. Canva Pro is a great whether you're one person or a small team. No matter how large your team, you can boost your productivity and take Canva to the next level with time-saving features. Take the hassle out of cropping and resizing your design with Magic Resize. Organize your photos into folders and save your brand logo, colors, and fonts. What is the difference between Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise? Canva for the enterprise is ideal for organization, businesses, and franchises. You can invite a team. What if I work for a nonprofit? We offer free subscription to Canva for a nonprofit. Apply today. What if I'm a student or a teacher? Canva offers special education programs for students and teachers. See if you're eligible. How much does it cost to use Canva Pro? 155 and 88 cents Canadian. How long is my free trial? You can try Canva Pro free for 30 days. To activate your Canva Pro account, you'll need to enter a credit card. If I add a team member, will they able to see all my designs? Your designs are always private unless you explicitly choose to share them or save them as a templates for your team. So there you go, guys. Pwede kayong mag-try for 30 days kung gusto nyo. You can try it and then you can cancel anytime. So it's a win-win plan for you guys. So like for example, for Instagram naman, pwede rin kayong gumawa Instagram post. Okay, there you go. Yung mga different kinds of templates ng Instagram. And also sa vlogs, pwede rin kayo sa blog. Okay, so that's it, guys. So we're gonna cover lang yung ating YouTube channel art. So kung gusto nyo, I put the link on my description para magkaroon kayo ng links wherein makakakuha kayo ng mga freebies for free kung mag-subscribe kayo. So click on my link below and then mag-sign in kayo using that link so that magkakaroon tayo ng mga freebies sa Canva. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And this is Sensei Bong signing out.